This year's big trip is going to bring us to Nova Scotia. This is going to be the longest trip that I've ever taken the KLR on.
This is a sweet little ride though.
It is.
And the way we're going to do this is going to be a little bit unique. We're going to use the Railbed Trail, the Trans-Canada Trail. And the railbed line here in this area in particular runs all the way along the coast. Back in the late 1960s, there was a really weird occurrence that went down in Shag Harbor. People saw a UFO. I'm not going to say it's aliens or anything like that, but man, did it ever reek of some spookiness.
Oh, let's see how this goes.
She's a gamble.
Oh, stay in. There's a lot of secrets that are harbored all the way around this whole section. And it'll be our objectives to kind of uncover them and tell the stories of them.
Can you believe that there was a community this deep in the woods?
We'll see a lot of really cool stories with this, and I've already taken a look at a lot of them, and I've really dived into a lot of the history that surrounds them too. But now, it's time to tap into the mystery of Nova Scotia.